So our fourth example of writing linear system equations from word problems. Go ahead and read it and see if you can answer the question on your own, pressing play when you're ready to see the answer. So the owner of a clothing store buys t-shirts for $C each and sells them for P each. Last month, she bought 600 t-shirts and sold 500 of them and made a profit of $2,800. This month, she bought 400 t-shirts and sold them all and made a profit for $2,400. Which system of equations can be used to determine the values of C and P? This one's a bit different from the previous examples, but we're going to start the same way as we did before. We're going to start with the question. The question asks us for which system can be used to determine the values of C and P. This time it doesn't define C and P for us inside of the question, so we need to go back up through the problem and see if we can find out what C and P represent. So the owner of a clothing store buys t-shirts for C each. So C represents how much the store buys the t-shirts. So I'm going to say the cost of the t-shirt or the purchase price. Let's say they buy for. So that's our buy for price. And sells them for P each. So C each for the t-shirts, and P is going to be how much she sells them for. So P equals sells for. That's the price that she sells them for. Last month she bought 600 t-shirts and sold 500 of them and made a profit of $2,800. So the way profit works, profit is found by finding the amount of money you earn minus the amount of money you spend. So profit is equal to amount earned minus the amount spent. So let's see if we can figure out what the profit was. She made a profit of $2,800. So $2,800 is the profit, equals the amount she earned. So we know that, well, she earns money by selling shirts. So she sold 500 shirts. 500 times the amount she sold them for. Minus, and she spent, let's see, she bought 600 shirts. So 600 times the amount that cost her to buy them. So there's our first equation. Our second equation says this month she bought 400 t-shirts and sold them all and made a profit of $2,400. So this time it's 2,400 equals 400 t-shirts sold. So 400 times the number of, or times the price of the t-shirts, minus 400 times the cost of the t-shirt equals $2,400. That should be our system of equations. Let's see if we can match that with one of the answer choices. So 2,800. So 2,800 equals 500 minus 600. 500p minus 600c equals 2,800. That one matches so far. 400p minus 400c equals 2,400. That one matches. It looks like it's the right answer. Let's look at the other equations just to make absolutely sure. G, 600 minus 500. So 600p. No, that's not correct. That one did work, but both equations must match up. H, 500p minus 600c equals 2,800. That one matches. But this one's 400p minus c, so that does not work. J, 600p minus 500c. Nope and nope. So F must be our answer choice.